Hello Trade, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a good day. Today I am going to show you how to earn millions from Bitcoin in any market condition using very simple strategy. Stay tuned. For this we are going to open the Bitcoin futures 5-minute chart and draw support resistance lines first and wait for an opportunity. We will draw a channel to observe the price movement. Here the market is showing rejection in the resistance area, and I will place a sell trade here with a risk to reward ratio of 1:6. We hit our target in the first trade. With a risk of $250, I got a profit of $1,250. We will observe the price action and wait for another trade. Here I look a trade and it's $250 loss. We are now $1,000 in profit. Here I see a double bottom pattern. I place a buy trade as the structure breaks. And that's $500 in account. We are now $1,500 in profit. Its price is supporting the trend line. And it broke. We will place a sell trade with a risk to reward ratio 1:6. Our target is hit and a profit of $1,500. That's huge. If you like my trading and want more of this videos, then subscribe. drawing few trend channels to check the price movements. I placed a buy trade here with a risk to reward ratio 1 to 3. That's $750 in the pocket. And a total of $3,750. Thank you traders, see you in another video.